of the challenges and struggles life presents, what or who keeps you going? Why do you choose to continue despite of this exhausting and whimsical journey called life? What drives you to keep going? These are just a few of the motivational questions I found useful and valuable during times when life persuades me to give up and quit, when it tries to hinder my progress and discourage me from moving forward. Ngunit para sa ano o kanino ba ang ating pagpapatuloy? Iba-iba ang ating tugon sa tanong na ito. Ngunit mauunawaan natin ang pagkakaiba dahil binigyan tayo ng iba-ibang klaseng tao, bagay o pananaw na maaaring pinagmumula ng ating lakas upang magpatuloy. At this moment, I would like to take this opportunity to impart the reasons I have found to continue as I live every day. I realize that I have to keep going kay may dasayo nga tao nga nag-aantos para sa ako. There is one person who works 13 hours every day in order to sustain my basic necessities. There is one person who feeds me, educates me, and teaches me the art of living well. There is one person who serves as my driving force in everything I do. There is one person who raised me all by herself. Growing up with my single mother really impacted my entire life. At an early age, I realized that I must work hard and educate myself dahil pagdating ng panahon, ako lang ang matatakbuhan ni Mama dahil iisang anak lang po ako. Malaki po ang epekto nito sa akin, ngunit magandang epekto. I found out the true reason behind my existence. It was God sent me here to be my mother's companion in life. At sa bawat hakbang ng aking mga paa upang ipagpatuloy ang aking mga hangarin sa buhay, kasama ko siya. Hindi si Mama nagkulang. Ang kanyang lakas ang nagdala sa akin dito. If she had given up on me, I wouldn't be able to continue in life. But here I am, and I am immensely grateful because this woman bravely confronts the world to fight for me. I share this personal story of mine to inspire children like me, those who are raised by their single parents. Let us be brave enough to show the power of single parents. Ngan ayaw natong pagwakayan aton kinabuhi dahil asiton. Instead, magpadayon kit mag-ubot ngan magduruto because we have to see the brighter side. Kailangan naton ma-feel ang presensya sa mga tao nga nagsasakripisyo para sa aton. Let us take note, my fellow completers, that behind our padayons, there are parents who endured and sacrificed themselves for us to continue pursuing education. Isa pa pang rason kung bakit dapat tayong magpatuloy. Pagpadayon kita, kay para makatalawas kita. We may relate this reason to simple situations like after taking exams, quizzes, recitations, or even making projects or performance tasks. Mapapasugad na lang kita, hay nakasurvive gihapon. And that is because we enabled ourselves to continue no matter what because we knew that continuing is the key to surviving. Kung diri ka magpapadayon, diri ka makakatalawas. One of the greatest lessons I've learned while keeping going in life is to embrace the challenge and keep myself moving, no matter how hard the challenge is. I still allow myself to move forward because I have this mindset which says, as I push myself to move forward, there are risks that I cannot avoid. But I know that despite how tough the risk is, I can conquer and survive it. And remember that in everything we do, the first step is to take the first step. So don't think too much what to do. You just need to take the first important action to move your feet forward. At nang unti-unti kang humahakbang pasulong o paabante, hindi mo namamalayan na lagpasan mo na ang pinakamahirap na parte ng pangyayari. And that is because you keep going forward. Panguling rason kung bakit dapat kailangan ating magpatuloy sa buhay. Pagpadayon kita, kay para hingadto kita sa aton karuyag hingadtuan. But what kind of destination do you pursue to reach? Is it to work your dream career or to live in financial stability? Well, whatever destination it is, I want to share with you one of the greatest pieces of advice I heard from my mama. Ang sabi niya, ang pinakamagagandang destinasyon sa buhay ay ang mga destinasyong naglalaman ng pinakamahirap na paglalakbay. The best destinations in life are the destinations who have the hardest journey. Ngunit dagdag pa niya, there is nothing impossible to a person who never quits, even if the road gets rough, and even if its own progress is too slow like a turtle on a long journey. Kaya lagi nating tatandaan na kahit gaano man kabagal ang usad, gaano man tayo katagal sa ating paglalakbay, at gaano man ito kairap, tuloy lang dahil ang dadala sa atin sa magagandang destinasyon ay ang ating pagpapatuloy sa buhay. What leads us to beautiful destinations in life is our determination to continue. Now that I have conveyed the importance of continuing and embracing as well the journey of life, I would like to acknowledge the individuals who supported me in this junior high school journey. To Ma'am Rina Sipinka, Ma'am Norina Huluan, at Rosal de Alca, and Ma'am Jessa Montalto. Thank you always. And of course, thank you to those teachers who have been good to me. Thank you so much po. I may not be able to call all your names one by one, but I am incredibly thankful to all of you. To my classmates, as we share our school days together, I have witnessed different kinds of skills, different kinds of personalities. Some of you possess humorous and funniest personalities which make me glad all day. Thank you for bringing me laughter and joy. And of course, to our great advisor, Ma'am Natnat Siacopiado, thank you so much po, Ma'am, for your understanding and patience. Lastly, to my family, to my nanay and tatay, my titas and titos, and of course to the strongest woman in the world, my mama, I will always forever be blessed to have you. Thank you, everyone. As I wrap up my speech, this kind of line may sound familiar to all of you. However, I would like to leave you with this important message. Bisan pa po nanawa nimo kamatangan sa imo kinabuhi, ayaw itong paghimuang mapasangilan para di rin ka umabante. Because nowadays, there are lots of people that serve as a testament that their living conditions don't define what they will become in the future. Bisan nano ang trabaho sa imo kag anak, bisan gid padako ka pa sin single parent, pobre ka man o mayaman, it may be tough. But never consider it as an excuse for you not to succeed and keep going in life. Because in having a dream, there is no standard that must be followed. The only requirement when you dream is your paningkamot ng pagpadayon. I hope the reasons I shared will help you whenever life pulls you back. Always remember that in times of struggles and challenges, there will always be a reason that can drive you to keep moving forward. I hope you will remember this dream. Pagpadayon kay may mga tao nga nag-aantos para sa imo. Pagpadayon kay para makatalwas ka. Pagpadayon para hingadto ka sa imo karuyag hingadtuan. Hinumdum may otro nga permi may dartasol para magpadayon. Padayon everybody and congratulations. Thank you.